Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm gonna give you a free preset called Blink and Tail. So before we start, hit the like button and let's get started. So first download a preset from description link and then add it, then open it. Okay, now click the three dot button and then copy settings. Okay, now I'm gonna paste it. Here is a daylight photo. You can use the preset on daylight photo, also in the night photo. And yeah, here you can see the result. Okay. As you can see, it gives the photo a really hard pink and tail look. As you can see the result, how's the preset. I'm gonna bring down the temperature a little bit. Okay, as you can see, it makes the photo look even better. Okay, now paste it in the night city photo. I'm gonna bring down the shadow and add noise reduction, also color noise reduction. So guys, hope you'll enjoy the video. If you then don't forget to like the video, share with a friend, and I will see you next time. Peace.